So I kind of forgot to film an intro to this video, so I guess we're gonna go right into it. As you saw there, I cut a couple trees down, and this video is going to be removing that stump there right in the middle of the picture. It's about a 10-inch diameter stump or so, somewhere around there at the bottom. This is the first real stump that I've pulled out with the BX23S. So I kind of got a little scattered video here. It's going to be showing me learning how to pull an actual stump out. Everything up until this point has been like 4 inches or smaller, and that is quite a bit easier to do than something like this. This actually has a pretty good root system that I had to tear through. But yeah, enjoy the video. Skip around if you like. It's kind of a long video, but otherwise, if you want to see it all, watch it all. Up to you. Alright, you see here I've been kind of digging my way 360 degrees around the stump. Keep busting more and more roots up. And right there I'm just kind of pulling on it to see if it's loose yet, and kind of see that it's got some roots on the back side of it there, away from the tractor, that are still attached. So we'll just continue digging, making a bigger hole, making a bigger mess, fumbling around here. And yeah, I guess that's how you do it. Alright, so right here we actually have it loose. Tore out all the roots that were attached. And just kind of using the bucket to pry it out of the ground there. And there it goes. Now this probably would have been a little easier if I would have cut the stump shorter, knocked some of the weight off, but I wanted to kind of use it as a leverage point. Don't know if that's the correct way to do this or not, but that's how I did it. Worked for me. This was about all the backhoe could lift. It wouldn't lift it to full height, extend it out like that. And I was having a little bit of trouble here holding it with the thumb, because as I'll show you here in a minute, the little bucket curl line for the hydraulic cylinder developed a leak. But either way, got her out. Alright, so I stopped the video, well actually stopped working, this would have been a couple days ago, once got the stump out of the hole. So, big old guy, got her out. Yeah, I stopped because noticed I had a little bit of problem clamping it. It kept dropping. And then I saw I had a little leak at that fitting there. So I just snugged that guy up. It was a little loose. But yeah, that's where I stopped the other night. And so we're on a different day now. We'll finish up getting this one out. But in the meantime, that night after I stopped, left the tractor parked there. We had a little storm roll through and topped a couple trees off. So that's neat. Luckily, I mean, the only two around here were right above the Kubota, but it did not touch the Kubota at all. So, I guess that's a good thing. But, as always, have a little more work to do now. So, I guess I'll finish up getting that stump out of here and over in the pile of brush that's going to get chipped up. And then I'll start cleaning that guy up. I probably won't show you that. It's pretty boring. But then we'll get this hole filled in. And then had some advice from a few people to not touch that stump, and I think we'll end up just lopping her off as close to the ground as we can. Don't want to kill that tree there. So I guess we'll just leave it. So that's my plan of attack. We'll get that guy out, clean that up. I got that pile of brush from this tree that I'll use the little chipper to get rid of. And then this place, I think, will be ready to take the backhoe off and put the 3-point hitch on for the first time and get the box blade in here. That's my plan of attack. I guess I got to move this stuff over to that pile as well. Yeah, so there is where we're at right now, and we'll get going. So there is the finished product. That hole's mostly filled in. You can see it was right there. And I'd say this end of the little woods clearing is wrapping up pretty nice here. We're gonna throw the 3-point hitch on and run the box blade over and kind of even some of this out. And then I'm just gonna figure out what I want to throw down to grow for some cover, keep everything choked out. Yeah, we'll drag some dirt and level this guy out. But took about 47 minutes in real time to pull that stump out. It was about 10 inches, maybe a little more at the base. So happy with the little Kubota for that. And then, like I said in the middle of the video there, I think I'm just gonna leave that one in. We don't want to risk killing that tree. That one's still alive for the most part. So we'll just chop that one down. I'll whack those little saplings out of there. Yeah, I'll stand back here and kind of give a little look. So we're going to open this up quite a bit, and hopefully all these existing trees will get a little healthier. And I'll walk down to give you an idea what it looked like before. Kind of tough with the sun, but so I'm pretty much finished clearing up until about this area here. And open it up. We got a little bit of sunlight that'll come in now. It was completely choked out before. And we'll walk down, give you an idea what it looked like. This is kind of some of the stuff. I ran the tractor up there, but this is a little closer to what it looked like before. It was actually a little heavier than this, but got a bunch of the little trees out of the way. So I'm gonna get that leveled out and seeded up there. Make sure everything sits happy, and then this will be the next section. And we'll go down to where the driveway splits off there, get this all cleared up. And same process over. I won't go as in depth on that one, but we'll show a quick little video with that too. So yeah, next video is gonna be showing you how to throw the 3-point hitch on. Haven't done that yet, being we've been using the backhoe. Got the new kit from Kubota for that. And so we'll do that, and we'll get the box blade out, and I guess learn how to use one of those. Alright, thanks for killing a little time with me, guys, and we'll catch you on the next video. So this is kind of a never-ending thing around here. Had another tree fall. Was right there. Fell onto that tree there. Stayed up there for about a day while I was trying to figure out how to take it down, and then decided to roll onto the deck. And kind of came a little close to for comfort on the house. But guess we'll chop this guy up now. It's not getting old or anything. And That's a little more like how it's supposed to look. Goes right into the rock there. Obviously need to clean up the rest of this mess going on. But fun.